Hello guys, hello my dear friends, this is my official Telegram channel, Ganymede channel. Look at this, Ganymede hack, Ganymede channel, this is me, you see that? Let's go, I want to show you how work real working hack, guys. You see, Ganymede channel, my Telegram channel, Ganymede hack, this is my Telegram links, actual fresh date and fresh time, 24 September, 24 years, you see that? And let's go, I want to show you how work hack. Go to the Google Chrome, go to the 1Xbet official website, 1xbet.com official website, you see that? 1Xbet official website, look at this. You see, my friends, all this real. I check everything with you. Official 1Xbet website. Go to the crash game. Mobile Android phone. Aviator Predictor application. 1Xbet. And look at this, how real working Aviator Predictor application for mobile Android phone. And you see next coefficient when Aviator crash in this mobile Android phone. In this application. .78 next coefficient, guys, when Aviator crash. Look at this. Amazing. It's amazing. It's a real correct number. I'm place a bet right now, $16. Place a bet and look at this, how it's work. You see. $5.44 next coefficient, guys, and look at this, how it's work. It's amazing, guys. You see, it's worked perfect. I place my last bet for my money. Next coefficient 2.71. I show you how I win right now big winnings. Then I show you how I withdraw money to my Visa card. Amazing, guys. It's amazing. Application work perfect. All this real work correct. You see next coefficient is very low, 1.11. Just show you for example. Amazing, guys. It's amazing. It's real correct. You see my history. You see my balance. Withdraw funds, and I withdrew it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 24 September, 24 years. You see that? Press confirm, press OK, and now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1Xbet wallet to my Visa card. If you want to make money like me, guys, write me in my official Telegram channel, because all this real. You see that? And you can earn money every day like me, easy and fast. You see? Just wait when status change to approve. Status approved, guys. My money was draft. Thank you for view. Bye bye. See you later.